tropical cyclone alert issued for the Fiji Group. Public urged to follow safety measures and international flights into Fiji stopped. Good evening, I'm Michael Anamalo. DSMAC has today confirmed that a tropical depression was located northwest of Nandi and it may develop into a tropical cyclone.
Members of the public are advised that at midday today, a tropical depression was located about 1,200 kilometers west-northwest of Nandi. It is expected to be a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 36 hours. For those of you planning to go out to sea today, a strong wind warning is now in force for all Fiji waters. Director DSMAC Pachilia Ndombui says everyone is advised to continue listening to the radio and note the developments in the weather conditions and to make the necessary preparations now should the depression develop into a cyclone. Some tips for you: listen to the radio, ensure safety of all your family members, store important documents only in a plastic bag, and prepare a go bag or disaster kit. Fill water containers and fuel car, batten down houses, put up shutters and secure your doors and windows. You have to make sure that all your family members are present, and if your house is not in a safe location, move to the nearest evacuation center. You have been forewarned to closely monitor the current situation and to keep listening to the radio for further developments.
Government is reminding members of the public to exercise precautionary steps in response to the current weather experienced in the country. With a heavy downpour expected to continue, flooding will be experienced around the country, particularly in low-lying areas. Members of the public residing along the Reo Delta are advised to take heed of the quick rise in water levels.
Yesterday, water levels at the Reo River was around 3.25 meters and continued to rise. This morning, water level had reached the 4.25 mark. However, if heavy rain continues up until midnight tonight, this is expected to go past the 4.5 meters, which is a critical level. However, with government and relevant authorities constantly emphasizing on the safety of children and adults as paramount, Fiji News this morning spotted children taking the safety advice rather too lightly and swimming in flood waters. A similar situation was caught as the team spotted this individual trying to make it across the river to the main road. Nosori Police Station this morning reported that yesterday 2 people were involved in pickpocketing, whereby police chased after the suspects who jumped into the flooded Reo River. However, the 2 were not caught due to the strong currents, but the officer made it back to the river bank. With flood warnings in place accompanied with heavy rain tonight, the public has been advised to also take heed of landslides occurring around the areas and homes and take the necessary safety measures.
This morning, head of DSMAC India Seru Ratu has confirmed that government has declared a state of emergency for the entire Western Division effective March 30th and enabling government to assist those affected by the floods.
Based on these direct assessments and the ongoing weather, government is declaring a state of natural disaster for parts of the Western Division. In the Rap Province, Rakaraki Tikina areas and Naroko Tikina areas. In Tabo District, Yalandro Flats, Korbo Village, Balata areas, Natawa areas, Yasi Flats area and Tabo Village. In Ba District, Batown area, Wailelai area, Butua Flats, Namosau area, Koronumbu areas, Rarawai areas, Moto, Nasol Village, Watulo Lau, Yalalebu residential and farming areas, Nuklo area, Tonge, and Balebuto. Lautoka District, all Sambeto Flats, Barara Flats, Lomolomo area, Natambua Seaside Flats, Vitongo Flats, Naviango Flats, Pai Flats, Lobu Flats, and Rasa Flats. Nandi District, Nandi Market, Nandi Bus Stand area, Andrews Road, Hospital Road, Raniga Street, Korotiridiri Settlement, Nawachikuma Settlement, Navakai Flats, Moala Village and Moala Flats, Korobuto area, Utulei, Nawanga, and Mate Road settlements. Navakai area, Nawaka Village, Nareo Village, Sikituru, and the Abusunia Village. Tunalia area, Rararua and Reka Village, Carreras Road, and Walemasima Settlement, Butualebu, Korningaba settlements, and nearby areas at Nasoso. For Nandronga Province, Tikinas of Nokonoko, Nasingotoka, Dubu, Tuba, Malo, Wai, Rabi, and Koroinasau. And in Nabosa province, tikinas of Nasikawa, Namataku, Bemana, Mabua, and Mangalimare.
Coming up after the break, Prime Minister visits flood-affected areas and update on evacuation centers.